How to check Hotmail login history. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. So the first step is you need to log into your Hotmail account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Hotmail. So in order to check the login history, you need to first click on your profile in the right upper corner. After clicking over there, you will be able to see the options. You have to go for my profile. After going through it, you'll be able to see your informations over here. From over here, you have to switch to privacy option. In the privacy, you have to scroll a little bit, and here you'll be able to see all of your location activity, browsing history, search history, and everything. You can also see about your app and service activity. From over there also, you can see your login history. You can simply click on this drop down sign and you'll be able to see all the history about logging in. If you want to clear, and then you can simply go for clear all app and service activity, and the login history will be cleared. You can also see the login history by simply going through the app and services. And from over here also you'll be able to see the services that you have given access to, which means where your Hotmail account has been logged in or in which app your Hotmail account has been logged in. If you want to see in which device you are logged in, then you can simply switch to devices option at last. And from over here you will be able to see all the device in which you are logged in. So by following these steps you can check Hotmail login history. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.